Hey YouTube, welcome to today's review about the Stanley the Legendary Camp Mug. Is this the best camp mug out there? Let's find out if it's really legendary. The first thing that I notice is that the build quality is really high. This is what you expect to have when you have a Stanley product, of course. The camp mug can be filled up to 354 milliliters or 12 ounces. The lid on top is removable and both parts are BPA free and dishwasher safe. I prefer to wash the mug itself by hand since the colors might fade away over time. The lid has no problem at all in the dishwasher. Make sure to peel off the rubber band as well to clean it properly. Now let's fill it up with water to do the first test. I also put in 2 ice cubes to see how long the water will stay cool. According to the Stanley website, this mug should keep your liquid cold for 3 hours. It can keep your liquid hot up until 1.5 hours. Our starting point is 15.5 degrees Celsius. Let's put it away and wait. After 30 minutes, the ice cubes have melted and the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius. After 60 minutes, we see that the temperature is increasing a little bit to 9.6 degrees Celsius. But overall, I think it's fair to say that your drink will stay cold for a long time. After all, who is going to wait that long to finish his drink while using the camp mug? Now, let's do the warm water test. We put in boiling water to see how long it will stay warm. We see that our starting point is 96 degrees Celsius. And I'm a little bit worried since the opening is pretty big, but let's see. Compared to the clean canteen mug, you can see that there is significantly more steam leaving the Stanley mug. After 30 minutes, we see the temperature has dropped to 74 degrees Celsius. After another 30 minutes, we see 57 degrees Celsius. And after another 30 minutes, we see 52 degrees Celsius. After 2 hours in total, we see 44 degrees Celsius. Although this isn't crazy hot, I think you can still drink this as a decent coffee or tea. Now let's wrap it up. I think the Stanley Legendary Camp Mug can be a great addition to anyone's coffee or tea routine. It doesn't really matter if you use it in the car, in the office, at home or while camping. This camp mug can do the job. The lid makes it sure it will stay hot for a longer period of time. It also prevents from spilling over when docking in the cup holder in your car. The downside I have with this camp mug is that after 1.5 to 2 hours it's not hot anymore. This is mainly because the bigger opening in the lid, and the clean canteen does a better job here. On the other side, I think 1.5 hours is long enough to finish your drink and go for a refill. The design is great and the building material is really high of quality. My final conclusion is that this is a great camp mug. You can get yours in most web shops for around $30 to $35. And this was my full review on the Stanley the Legendary Camp Mug. What are your thoughts on this camp mug? Please let me know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe to get notified, and I will see you in my next review.